Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to save Printful image. So first you just have to go to Printful, log into your account. Now let's just say if you want to save or download an image here in Printful or image from Printful, what you're going to do is you have to basically go to your products. So let's just say you have created a product already. So of course you have to select that product here on the product. Now you have to tap that one, and then in order for you to save image, you have to look for markup. So this one right here, you have to edit this, tap on edit. Here on your image or your design, what you're going to do is you have to select for the markup. So you have to tap this markups right here, and it will show you the design. And in order for you to save this, all you have to do is right click, tap on save as, and you can change the title. Then go to your downloads or double click, and you will have the image. Now, let's just say if this image is from Printful, like you haven't created or start designing, is it possible? So let's just look for other pictures here or images here in Printful. So let's just say this one right here. Can we try to save this? The answer is no. It can be in a different file. So in order for you to save this design or template, you just have to simply tap on start designing or design it first, go to Mockup again, and then right click and then save as. So basically, that's how you easily save Printful image. You have to tap on start design first or design it, and then go to mockups and then tap on save as, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.